All right, YouTube. Let's see, what time is it? Yep, got a few more minutes here. We'll make this a quick one. So we're gonna do a lunchtime live here. I'm gonna try to start doing more for YouTube. I usually always did them for Facebook, and then we just do the one and done. I do a lot. I mean, spend a lot of time on it, answer a few questions, and because I got so many different platforms to try to cover, when I do it in this fashion, I'll make them a little shorter and I'll just jump along. So I got to do Facebook. TikTok, and you guys as well. So real quick recap, if you missed it last night, we look at some maps, and we'll do that again in my evenings for my broadcast in the evenings. We'll show you the computer maps and all that kind of stuff, a few more detailed, in-depth analysis, but just for these little short-term deals, kind of give you a heads up. Bottom line is we've got a pattern change coming up. So even though we've had some days here where it's been warm, then cold, and then cold still, dreary, cloudy, foggy. I mean, that's typical winter stuff that can come and go. We're going to actually have a real true Arctic fronts that do come in here and across the rest of the country as we head into the weekend to next week. And we get progressively colder, so they'll get progressively stronger. And with those, we'll be getting opportunity for more winter weather in the form of rain, sleet, and snow. So yes, there'll probably be some freezing rain with some of this, which means ice accumulations, enough to maybe cause some power outages and or travel. We'll see. Again, we're way out in the distance for that, but that signal is there with a stronger wave that comes in, not this weekend, but the next weekend. And prior to that, we'll have little mini waves that are weaker. But we're talking about, like Monday, for example, we'll have a mixture of rain, sleet, and snow. And temperatures may be kind of critical to where they're probably maybe around or slightly above freezing in some cases. So you can get some wet snowflakes in that instance, but you don't get any ice, but you can get a cold rain as well. And so the southern half of Oklahoma looks like it's going to fit the bill for that, whereas the northern parts of the state may be cold enough just to get all snow. So it's kind of a mixture like that. And then we get kind of progressively colder from there. So the next one that comes in after Monday's and Monday night's event, I think it's Tuesday night and Wednesday, a little better opportunity for a little bit more widespread light ice and snow. And then for, I think it was the Thursday night, that little system then also maybe a little bit better opportunity for a little bit more widespread snow. So it kind of gets progressively colder, and therefore we kind of change more over into that snow category. And then over the weekend, it's more of an ice storm setup if that verifies, and we'll have to see what happens, but something to keep an eye on. And we'll look at the data. It's been flipping, swishy-washy. Matter of fact, all the models are all over the place, which is good because that means the signal's there and that something's going to happen. It's just you have to narrow it down to the timing and amounts and precipitation type and all that kind of stuff, which is the fun part of forecasting. And you usually get better at that as we get closer to those windows of opportunity. But this is just a heads up that we got some changes coming away, so make sure you keep tuning in on my lives as we do it during the afternoons and also during the evenings. And make sure you like and share the content, subscribe, tap the bell, all that kind of stuff. You want to support me in that fashion as well. Opportunities are there for YouTube and pretty much any other social media platform. And that's about it for me. See you on the next broadcast. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Talk soon. Take care.